Hi Dress-O Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cat Princess Peach from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute princess as a cat, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to start and draw a curve over. So nice full curve. And then at the bottom, just connect it with a shallow curve. Then I'm going to come right across using this point as my guide, say about this wide, not too wide. And from there, we're going to do the same thing. So nice and high, bring it over and connect. There. So now that you have these two shapes in, we're going to come inside and draw an oval. So towards this corner a bit more, I'm going to come about right here and draw a big oval. Then we're going to come inside and I'm just going to draw a circle right here. So hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to draw another oval around it and shade this part in. Sorry, it is a bit small, but hopefully you can see that. So we just want the surrounding area blank so that when you color it, you can put the Princess Peach's eye color. So let's go ahead and do the same thing over here towards this edge a little bit more. Try to ease off on my Sharpie here. And once again, same thing. Little circle right here. And then we're just going to come in and draw an oval inside and fill it all in. There. Then from there, let's spruce these eyes up with some lashes. So we're going to come to the top and I'm just going to draw a bunch of them. There. So let's do the same thing over here. Just gonna add a bunch of lashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There, you can come in here and just darken it up a little bit to spruce them up. And then now from there, let's go ahead and draw her brow. So right on top of her eye, I'm just gonna draw a curve right over her eye. Nothing fancy, just right over. Just keeping in mind we do have her hair that we need to draw. So I'm just going to make these very simple. There. Then let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, just go ahead and just give a little smirk smile, slightly upwards and cap it off. From there, let's come back in here. Almost forgot. I'm just going to come to the top curve of her eye. And I'm just going to thicken it up just to anchor her eyes a little bit more. There. Okay, so now that we have that, it'll look better once you color this part in. From there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye and get really close to these lashes, and I'll give myself a point. Same thing here, about right here. And we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U, but a little bit more slanted. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And bring it down around her eye. Bring a curve, and I'll say about right here. I'm going to find my center and say about right here is where I want her chin. And I'm going to bring in that curve. My point, and then let's do the same thing over here. So definitely turn your paper or your body, whatever you need to do to create this curve. Okay. Then I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper. Okay, so then from there, this is the part I hate the most. It's always so delicate. Okay, so then from there, now that we have that, we're going to just bring this up a tiny bit more. I just want it a little bit higher, about the same on both sides. And then I need to draw a curve. So actually I need to go a little bit higher to go over these brows. So from there, we're going to come to the center in between her brow, and about right here, I'll give myself a point. So I know this is where her bangs are going to be. I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve right over her brow, about there, so center of her eye. And then I'm going to bring another curve down towards my point. So let's do the same thing and over here. So let's go up. So if it helps, I'm just going to drag a point across about right here on the other side. And same thing here. So we're going to bring this down just like the other side. There. Then from there, let's we're going to bring this up just a little so we know what's going on up here. And then before we finish that, let's finish this curve. So I'm going to bring this down and out for her hair. So I'm going to pop this out a little bit to about right there, and then I'll bring it in and in. So same thing here for her unique hairstyle. So let's bring this down to same thing like the other side, and then bring it in. There. Okay, so then I'm going to come back to my center, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself, I kind of know I want a nice little curve on top, so about right there. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes down to meet that, and same thing here. Draw a curve and then come down to meet that curve. There. And then you can just kind of bring this in a little bit. There. Then from there, let's come back over here, and we're going to draw her side hair. So I'm just going to taper this in. Same thing here. Just taper it into her face. Then we're going to come out about right here, and we're going to draw a curve, and we're going to do the same thing over here. Curve. And I want to come back to here. So I'm going to find my center again. I'll just give myself a point so I kind of know where I'm going, not very far. And from there, let's bring this and round it off. And I'm going to bring a curve all the way to my point. So that's going to be one big curve. So it's the same thing over here. We're just drawing this curve to create her cat costume. And connect. There, that looks kind of weird, right? Hopefully when we color it and everything will look better. Then from there, let's cut it off about right in this area right here. I'm going to draw her earrings. So put in a big circle right here to break up that space. So same thing about right here. Draw a big circle to fill in this space. There. And then we're going to come back and just separate. Just kind of follow two colors. There. Okay. Looking better, right? Hopefully. So then let's come back to the center. Come up just a little bit, just enough to finish off this hoodie part. And we're going to draw a curve right over her bangs. And whatever space you have left, bring it down to continue that curve. So same thing here. We just want the top of our hoodie. And we're just going to bring it down to here to continue that curve. There. Okay, so kind of like a bell shape, right? Then from there, let's draw her ears. So I'm going to come to about right here. And let's go up. I think it's easier for my hands. I'll go about right here. Nice big cat ears. Round off the tip and bring it in. Then we can draw the inside. Just follow your outside. There. So same exact thing on the other side, but right here. And with nice big ears. So same thing, but right there. Just drag this across. I'm approximately the same height. round it off, and we want to bring it all the way back to our point. And once again, just draw the inside. There. Okay, so now that we finally have that, let's draw the crown, and then we're done with the top. So let's come back to our center, about right here. We're gonna go up, say about right here, and I'm gonna draw 2 angle lines for our crown, and we're gonna bring it out and down. Go out and down. And then in the center, just going to draw oval for a jewel. There, and that is it for the head. So now to draw the cute little cat body, let's come about right here. We're going to say about a little bit off center. So this is the center, we're just going to off it a little bit and come about right here, touching her hoodie. We're just going to draw a curve right here. So that's her shoulder, and we're going to bring this curve down and bring it down. There, we're going to give a slight curve to her arm, and then her chest would be about right here. So I just kind of want to know where everything is, and then her back be about right here. So hopefully you can see kind of what's going on. So let's bring this down. We're going to curve a little bit. And bring this in for her arms, so about right there. I'll stop and I'm going to cut it off, and let's draw her kind of these mittens. So just draw a curve and connect there. Then from there we're going to bring in her chest, so just curve in, and this part is going to come out. Her little tail, so let's come out, round this part off, and let's bring this to about right there, to the same height as there, to about right there. Then let's come back and let's finish the paw first. So right here, just bring this in, come out, so everything is nice and soft. Just curve, and about right here, I'm just going to curve one finger, just simplify it, and then connect it there. Put a little line there for a little indication of all the other fingers if you want. And so the paw, the foot will be about right here, same level, so just keeping that in mind. And I need to draw the leg, so about right here I'm going to bend it. I'm going to come right here with a curve right there, so it's the same level, and let's round this off and bring it in, create a curve. So then about right here in the center of this curve, let's come about right here, and we're going to cut it off. Then let's continue this down, and right here we're going to pop this out for a big foot. Then we can let's just cut this off right here, right there, and then for the paw, just a curve and then bring it in, round it off. There. And then since we have some space here, I'm just going to just imagine this is coming through. Just bring this in, and then we're just going to tuck in the back foot right into this space. So just draw another curve. There. And then finally, oh, and then the tail. So tail, let's bring it, pop it up about right here. We're just going to go up and round it off. So just kind of follow whatever curve you drew and bring it in. And then just cut it off right here for the different colors for her tail. and then the other paw. I almost forgot. So let's come back right about here, and we're just going to draw a curve right there. And her hand is in a fist. So now that we have this curve about in this area, we want to draw the paw. So let's come right here. I'm going to draw a curve for a thumb. And then before I finish that, I'm going to come up here and draw an oval. So here's the tricky part. We're going to draw another oval right there. And big oval, just to simplify it. Right in here. And you come in here with two curves. And so this curve right here for the thumb will just tuck in. And then the palm. And just put everything together there. And then come back right here and finish the arm. There. Hopefully that looks right. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here to make her my Princess Peach as a cat from Super Mario. I really hope I didn't overcomplicate it, this drawing, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. I know it is a lot of stuff going on, but like I said, I really hope I helped you, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.